Friends, you simply won't believe this. While everyone's watching Bitcoin, Ethereum just exploded 24% in 1 week, leaving even the wild Solana and Bitcoin itself in the dust. This isn't just a move. This is a massive statement of dominance. Ethereum ETF inflows are on fire, and that means just one thing. Very soon, we're going to see a crazy wave of liquidity pouring from Ethereum into altcoins in its ecosystem. This is your shot to build real wealth with projects that are about to go parabolic. Today, we'll break down this mad momentum, show the key charts, and unlock the full potential of the Ethereum ecosystem. Get ready. This might be the most important Ethereum video you'll watch. Hit that like, subscribe, and let's decode the future. Before we dive into the market overview and the altcoins that are ready to move, quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. This video only reflects my personal view of the market. Always do your own research and invest wisely. Now look at this. Forget the idea that Bitcoin is leading the market. Forget the hype around Solana. Ethereum did it. Ethereum just roared 24% in 1 week, outpacing everyone. Bitcoin, Solana, all of them. This isn't just a rally, it's a clear signal. Ethereum is back, and it's ready to dominate. Bitcoin already broke its all-time highs, but Ethereum? Ethereum is putting on a show. It broke through $3,400, and it's still climbing fast, beating both Bitcoin and Solana. Check this out. Open interest in Ethereum futures just hit an all-time high of $45 billion. That means massive capital is in the game, betting on an insane Ethereum future. Some analysts are already shouting $30,000 per Ethereum. Why? And let's not pretend I didn't warn you. Not long ago, people in YouTube comments, on Twitter, everywhere, were screaming, "Ethereum is dead." During that last major dip, I was yelling, "This is a gift." And look, it played out exactly how I said it would. So subscribe to the channel, and in return, I promise to drop the best altcoin reviews at the best possible time. Enough talk, let's get into ETFs, because this is the single biggest driver that could catapult Ethereum to new heights. The spot Ethereum ETF in the US isn't just news, it's a giant lever for capital inflows. In July 2025, we saw record inflows $703 million in a single week. BlackRock alone, the biggest asset manager on the planet, pulled in $300 million in a single day, and they now manage $5.6 billion in Ethereum. Their iShares Ethereum Trust jumped 5.3% in just 24 hours. Analysts predict Ethereum ETF inflows could exceed $10 billion in the second half of 2025. And with ETF options launching, this is a game changer. New strategies open up, more liquidity floods in, billions of dollars are already on the way, and they're heading straight for the Ethereum ecosystem. This isn't just chatter. Corporate giants are already pumping funds into Ethereum. Names like BlackRock, PayPal, and more are rapidly expanding their ETH exposure. Public treasuries now hold over 216,000 Ethereum. That's not curiosity. That's strategic long-term investment. And now, let's dive into the altcoins within the Ethereum ecosystem that have the full potential to be the next runners in this race. Before we jump into the coin review, let me remind you about my Telegram channel. Over there, I'm not only dropping the latest news, top trading indicators, and all the juicy stuff, I also talked about Ethereum and many other coins way before they pumped. Just look at my recent post where I said ETH looks extremely bullish. Since then, Ethereum has surged by a massive 37%, and that's in just 16 days. That's no joke. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description below. Make sure to check it out if you want to catch alpha before it hits the charts. Let's kick off with Ondo, the shining star of real-world assets. Ondo Finance is flipping the RWA space on its head, building a bridge between TradFi and crypto. The concept is simple but insanely powerful. Tokenize stable, income-generating assets from the traditional financial system and bring them on-chain. You get all the benefits of traditional investing, but with the efficiency and accessibility that only blockchain can offer. Ondo operates in two major directions: asset management and tech. The asset management side creates and controls tokenized financial products, blending classic finance with blockchain advantages. But here's what really makes them stand out: their protocol approach. They're launching autonomous protocols that can run independently after deployment. That's true decentralization and future-proof finance. And here's the kicker: partnerships with giants like BlackRock, Citi, and JP Morgan. That adds massive trust and security. Plus, it's a US-based project, and those are getting major attention and support under Trump's administration. On top of that, Ondo is launching a platform to tokenize US securities, giving access to over 1,000 NYSE and NASDAQ assets, Apple, Tesla, and fixed income ETFs included. This is your ticket into the real-world assets market. Next up, Pendle. This isn't just another altcoin, it's a whole new market where you trade future yield, staking ETH on Lido or USDT in a pool. Normally you sit and wait like a retiree, but with Pendle, boom! Sell that future yield for cash right now, or buy someone else's for cheap and cash in later. It's like yield futures on steroids, but without banks, all powered by smart contracts. Pendle's TVL? $5.3 billion. In January 2024, just $233 million. That's a 1,500% surge. That's God-tier trust. Top protocols like EtherFi, Renzo, and Ethena are pumping their assets into Pendle for restaking. And holders? They get 3% of fees and vote on where the protocol goes next. Oh, and Pendle holders often get airdrops and rewards, real incentives. The tech? Fire. Their AMM splits assets into principal plus future yield, like taking apart a car and selling the engine separately. No impermanent loss like in regular LPs. It runs on Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, BNB Chain, Mantle, basically everywhere that's hot right now. And huge news, Coinbase just listed Pendle. That's a massive bullish signal. US exposure equals big liquidity inflow. But there's one thing, Pendle moves with Ethereum. If Ethereum hits $5,000 like some analysts whisper, Pendle's going to the moon. If alts stall, it could get rocky. Now let's talk about our next candidate for this summer's alt rally, the one that makes hearts race when Ethereum starts moving. It's Pepe. Yeah, I know, meme coin, but don't sleep on it. This frog can print insane gains if you know how the market works. First, Pepe is pure energy that mirrors Ethereum. Check its chart. It's ridiculously sensitive to Ethereum rallies. It pumped hard at the end of last year during the mini alt season. It flew up again all last month, shadowing ETH. It's a clear indicator Pepe is ready to keep pumping. So Pepe is what I'd call a proxy bet. If you believe Ethereum is going to crush it this bull run and want to maximize that momentum, Pepe's your perfect play. It's listed everywhere. It has massive attention and mindshare in crypto. The liquidity is huge. Everyone knows the frog meme, and when this frog jumps, it jumps high. Oh, and I've talked about this coin in my videos many times before. From my first mention, we've already locked in over 500% profit. That's it for today. As always, this is just my view of the market, not financial advice. Do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next gem.